friends, welcome to our channel Fun for Food. Now you can see today we're going to make a Hilsa fish. It is the rainy season and this is the time you get this in plenty. Hilsa is a nostalgia for all the Bengalis, They just love it. And today we're going to make a Barishali Ilish. Ilish in Bengali is Hilsa. Now Barishali is a place in Bangladesh, and these are recipes that are getting lost nowadays. Now we have to put there is little turmeric, but I am adding a little more turmeric to it, and some salt, and we have to marinate the fish for a little while. Just apply it nicely. The ingredients that we need is, this is some nigella seeds and some bay leaves. These are 2 green chilies that are ground to a paste. A little bit of salt. This is 1.5 tablespoons of curd. Now this is what imparts the actual flavor to this fish. This is cumin seeds that I roasted without oil on the tawa for a little while till it imparts a nice flavor. Let it cool and then grind it with a little bit of water and a little bit of sugar to balance all the taste. And the main ingredient that goes into it is coconut milk. A cup of coconut milk I'm going to use. Coconuts are available in Bangladesh in plenty, so they use it in most of their dishes. We need to marinate the fish. I'm putting the green chili paste, the cumin. This will impart the main flavor to the dish. Just put the whole thing into it. The curd, the sugar, little more of salt I put. Now let's marinate everything nicely like this. Needs to absorb everything nicely. And we are going to cook it in mustard oil. All Bengali dishes are mostly cooked in mustard oil. These are recipes, they go very fast, but still I find they are getting lost, somehow. Nowadays, in the age of pizzas and pastas, these lovely delicacies are getting lost. My oil is hot. I will put in my bay leaves and the cumin seeds. Now we put in our fish. Hilsa fish is very soft, so after a minute, you just need to fry it 1 minute on each side. Not much, because otherwise they tend to break. After a minute on each side, put in your coconut milk. And you will cover it and cook it for about 4 to 5 minutes, and your dish will be done. I'm putting in some green chilies for flavor. Let's cover and cook for some time. Let's remove the cover. See, it's done to perfection, absolutely. See, at this stage, you could taste and see for the salt and sugar. It's eaten best with hot steaming rice. I hope you like this recipe. Bye for now, friends. Do subscribe to our channel.